Hi guys, my name is Layla Melgosa and this is mission report number 5, the moon. I chose this picture in the background because you can really see the moon and you can see the craters, the dark spots. So we talk about the moon's formation. In the picture you can see how it's kind of forming, and this is just a picture of the moon because it was pretty. And there's many theories on how the moon was formed. One main theory is the giant impact hypothesis, and basically shortly after Earth was created, a Mars-sized body known as Theia collided with Earth, throwing vaporized chunks of Earth's crust into space. Gravity bound the ejected particles together, creating a moon. The next is the co-formation theory, was the moon that was formed at the same time as the Earth. Both were created from gravity, causing material in the solar system to draw together. And third is the capture theory, which was the Earth's gravity snagged a passing rocky body and drew it into the orbit. Alright, and this is the moon's surface. You can see the giant crater. You can see that this one's really deep. And you can see that the surface on the moon on this area is very rocky, like a mountain. So the moon is littered with craters, if you can't already tell. There are deep craters in the south that's more than 2 times as deep as the Grand Canyon. If you look through an LRO topography map, it reveals the largest impact basin in the Earth's moon system, which measured several kilometers in depth and around 2,500 kilometers in diameter. One of the largest scale impacts of the moon is a Tycho crater. It was possibly formed 108 million years ago when dinosaurs were on Earth. The dark areas on the moon's surface is called the Maria. The Maria only covers 15% of the lunar surfaces, and the remainder of the lunar surfaces consist of bright highlands, or terrae. Highlands are rough, mountainous, and heavily cratered regions. So these are the fascinating facts that I found. The moon is drifting away from the Earth. It's moving approximately 3.8 centimeters away from our planet every year. Hope that's correct. After 50 billion years, the moon will be taking 47 days to orbit the Earth instead of 27.3 days. The moon has only been walked on by 12 people, all American males. The first person was Neil Armstrong in 1964, 1969. I can't really read my handwriting. And the last was Gene in 1972. The moon has no atmosphere, and it would take hundreds of thousands of moons to equal the brightness of the sun. Alright, and my thoughts is that I do believe that we should go back to the moon because there could be potential life out there. And we already have a couple times, so I don't see why we wouldn't go again. It's very interesting, like the moon. So I think that we should go back because out of every planet in the moons and stuff, I think we should spend our money on going back to the moon. And that is it, my references.